Sun going down right now at the Oregon coast, and there's a sun pillar or a sun dog right through here. You can kind of see that vertical shaft is fairly faint, and this might be an arc. It's oriented differently than the rest of these high clouds, so potentially another atmospheric optical phenomena happening at the coast right now. It'll be interesting to see how that changes in the time lapse, and we get to that later on tonight. 52 degrees, east winds out in Newport, really warm in the afternoon, and we just lost the alpenglow up on Mount Hood, which has also been pretty mild. Didn't drop below freezing at Timberline last night, and still at 43 degrees with really dry air. So with the clear sky, now that the sun is going down, set your watch, set an alarm if you want to see the International Space Station fly over. So unlike the movie, Laurel, I say do look up because there's some things to see in the night sky tonight. First of all, it's 6:35 to 6:39, the International Space Station flying over. Very bright from the west-northwest to the north-northeast. You can't miss it. It moves at a very constant or consistent speed, bigger, brighter than anything else around it. So when you see it, you'll know it. Another chance tomorrow night and on Friday night, and I think we'll have a clear sky all 3 nights for it. So kind of fun to see that. Okay, let's check out those morning temperatures. Were you running in Hillsboro? Laurel, is 21 out there this morning. Really cold. 28 in Portland and Troutdale, 28 in Vancouver, 25 McMinnville, Salem also down to 25, and even in the 20s at parts of the coast like at Tillamook. We're still under the air stagnation advisory here and here because of the fact that our air mass is just not changing over. There's nothing to ventilate it or exchange the air out with this very stable weather pattern that we have. But that east wind that we get does help to mix the air, and the fact that we're getting sunshine helping a lot. Now, there was a freezing fog advisory for much of Wallowa County, but that has now expired, although it will be very cold up there again tonight. In fact, the coldest place in Oregon this morning was up in Joseph, where it dropped to 10 degrees this morning. You can see the fog patch there up around Joseph. And then here in the Columbia Basin, it's just sloshing around. It's going to be tough to get rid of that until we get into the weekend. The winds in the gorge, though, doing us the favor, as I said, of mixing our air a bit. Gusted to 73 miles an hour at Crown Point, 63 at Corbett, Washougal a gust of 37. So some pretty strong winds. That kept the high temperatures in the Portland area down a bit. Notice how Troutdale 5 cooler than Portland, which was 5 cooler than McMinnville. So again, the wind having a big impact, keeping the overnight temperatures warmer, but the daytime temperatures cooler because of mixing. 59 at Tillamook. Looks like that may be the hot spot on the map this afternoon. Nice and warm there. The overall pattern has not changed. There's this big area high pressure here. It will eventually break down and allow a storm to come in this weekend, but that doesn't happen until Sunday. You can see we'll roll through this. This is Saturday at 7 o'clock. The rain has actually backed off quite a bit compared to where it's been, the modeling had been putting it the last couple of days. So I think we stay mainly clear for much of the day Saturday. Clouds come in late. Rain Sunday, mountain snow on Sunday, and into Monday. Then after that, it looks like it dries out again. A minor system maybe on Wednesday for a few sprinkles. Now the rainfall forecast remaining pretty good. This is pretty solid, upwards of a ½ inch to an inch across the northern Willamette Valley here, 1.5 inches or so over on the Oregon coast. What does that translate to up in the mountains? Pretty good snowfall, about 20 inches between Sunday and into Tuesday up on Mount Hood, lesser amounts south and east, but still, it's been a while since we've had new snow, so we will take whatever we can get, of course. It's going to be great to get some new snow. In Portland right now, 42 degrees with a fading light and the freezing level at 9,500 feet. On the Oregon coast, another clear night tonight, another sunny, warm day tomorrow with highs in the mid-50s. For the valleys, widespread frost, patchy fog, and sunshine again, and up to about 50, or depending on exactly where you are, a couple degrees of that. Sunny above the valley, freezing fog in central and eastern Oregon. Very cold, down in the low 20s there. For the gorge, strong east winds. Gusting to 80, maybe 90 miles an hour at Crown Point tomorrow, but everybody else will be less than that. And for the Portland area, we'll have sunshine, widespread frost, some patchy fog, and 51, then 49 on Friday. Stays dry until Sunday, Laurel, and then Monday, showers and sun breaks. And much of next week, again, is already looking dry, perhaps a few showers on Wednesday. But make sure you wear the woolies for that run tomorrow morning, Laurel.
Tomorrow's a rest day, fortunately, and we will look up tonight to see the ISS, but hopefully not asteroid Zafino headed our way.
No, that's staying way out there by Mars, way out.
Okay.